Hello, besties. We went to Sam's Club, picked up the veggie straws. We picked up, peanut butter, just Members Mark, their brand, creamy peanut butter. Welch's grape jelly, 2 bunches of bananas, the fruit and cheese tray, some Tostitos cheese, and the Tostitos salsa. Got string cheese. They had chicken nugget Lunchables and nacho cheese Lunchables. I know Jada likes chicken nugget Lunchables. We got powdered donuts, the rotisserie chicken salad, the Cool and Tangy. You see the flavors. We got Uncrustables, Pop-Tarts, and chewy granola bars. We got the Go-Go Squeeze, applesauce, fruit snacks, and the different types of cookies and cheese cracker thingies. Got some peanut butter crackers, along with some Go-Gurt, Donut Shop coffee, and Kool-Aid jammers. The variety of fruit in gel. Also got 2 cases of water, 1 case of Pepsi, 1 case of Mountain Dew is in this Mountain Dew variety Baja Blast flavor. And that is all for this very expensive haul. Let's put it away.
Hi guys, it's Jada behind the camera because mom has to hurry up and leave, but I can take my time. So
I already filmed the haul. I'm talking about filming putting it away.
Oh, okay, well, let's watch mom put it away. Oh, they already put the chips away. Over there. Already put the chips away. Ooh, aesthetic. Your camera quality is like weird.
Did you do the 4K?
Oh, so much better. Fruit snacks.
Yeah, give me the other. You want some fruit snacks?
Take some
Oh,
fruit snacks.
Give me the other one.
Oh, yeah,
With Judah's little cheapy chocolate chip food. Take his chips out.
We're not going to record the whole process. We're just going to record a little bit.
Look at that. Hello, besties. So today's grocery haul, we went to Aldi's. I want you to leave your guesses down in the comments how much you think this cost me. At the end, just put it down in the comments. All right, let's start over here. We got some rotisserie chicken already cooked. You know how I make my chicken salads. A bag of seasoned French fries. Some beer battered fish fillets, sausage is just regular sausage, protein bars for husband because he needs protein, olives, crackers, 4 cans of cut green beans, some Cool Cubes, I guess this is gum or something. It's gonna go in my car. Haribo Gold Bears because we love gummy bears. Cubes of cheese. A dozen eggs, pulp-free orange juice, French toast sticks because Jada likes French toast sticks now, the beef patties, bacon and cheese. 2 things of pork chops, a cheese ball, 2 chicken nuggets. You know, these are the Chick-fil-A dupes from Aldi. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and the garlic and herb chicken. And husband picked up some magnesium citrate. And that is all for the haul. Let's put it away. Got a functioning trunk, y'all. Ain't God good, and won't he do it? Hello besties, very tiny haul. I had to stop at Sam's Club. I picked up a variety pack of Danishes, apple turnovers, already cooked eggs, and the Chick-fil-A dupe nuggets. This is the brand and type if you want Chick-fil-A dupe nuggets from Sam's Club. Also, I picked up trash bags and toilet paper. And that's it. I'm gonna put it away. Oh, I forgot. And bananas. Hello besties, this is a small haul for me and hubby went on a little mini date. So we went and we stopped at Bath and Body Works because they were having a sale on the, what are these things again? Y'all know these things, the soaps. And they were 5 for $27, I think, or something like that. They were $3.50 a piece. And this is the To the Moon body wash, but this is for men's. So I got that for hubby. It smells wonderful. And I picked up some more of the air fresheners for my car. I got the 2 of the Noir and of course the strawberry pound cake. That's my favorite flavor. The Noir because, you know, I do have a man in my car. I don't want it to be overwhelmingly girly. So we went to Marshall's, and from Marshall's I picked up a keychain. This is cute. So when I get my car back from the shop, this will be my keychain for my car key. I picked up this deli. It's a stacking deli container, and I picked that up. I got some strawberry syrup because this tastes delicious, and actually it goes well in water. If you just add it to water, you have strawberry flavored water. These were on clearance, and they're baby bottles. So, because I'm like, you know, for those of you that know, got a grandbaby on the way. So we got to get started getting all this stuff together. So, got those. And I got me a revolving spice rack because it'll just fit better over in that space so that I can get to my spices. We stopped at Five Below, and I got me a little portable fan. You know, because after you do your skincare, you know, you gotta let your face dry and stuff. This is the Solar Flare. I'm gonna say that this is the dupe for the Solo de Janeiro, and I'm gonna try that one to see how good it smells. And then I picked up the lip balm. It says Lazy Days. It kind of looks like the Summer Fridays, so I'm thinking maybe it's a Summer Fridays dupe. We'll see. And GameStop. We just went in, but they had their cups on clearance. So I picked up a Hello Kitty cup. And for Nia, we picked up this Hello Kitty, but it's My Hero Academia. So, and it was only $5. It's like, you can't beat that. So she got a new cup because she has some cups, but hers are kind of destroyed. And then I went to Lane Bryant and bought me some unmentionables. And that is all for my haul. Let's put it away.